Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the 10-year note futures as they're experiencing further upside today. We're seeing them up now for a third consecutive session and retaking the 120 handle in the futures market, 120.01. As the markets continue to digest some of the various themes and narratives in the market. Now today it did look like a rotation out of equities and into the treasury markets. It really kind of manifested itself throughout the day. And I think that was one of the primary drivers today. We did have a 2-year auction that went off strongly as well. Had good, solid bid to ask cover there, and I think one of the strongest in a couple of years. So that also, I think, helped support the treasury markets today. But really, I think the bigger driver was the rotation. And we did see the treasury markets really from various durations rally pretty strongly today. And looking at the yields, the 10-year yield was down 5.5 basis points to 277 basis points. I think that's off the lows of the session, which is right around 273. But nonetheless, still did see a move lower in yields and move higher in price action today. And the steepening of the yield curve also was taking place today. The short end of the curve really up much more than the back end of the curve, pushing those yields down. So again, the front end of the curve, we did see quite a drop in the short-term yields from the 2s, the 3s, the 5s. And then even in the 10s, as I mentioned, down 5.5 basis points. And as we moved out in the curve, not quite so much. But nonetheless, strength across the different durations in the treasury market today. We did see most of the futures markets higher on the session. 10-year note futures up once again today and retaking that 120 handle.